In this video, I'm going to show you the process and how to make this modular fireball shooter that has a fast reload, and you can end up using it for many more things besides this. Let's get into it. So, at the time, I was messing around with some Nichrome wire. If you don't know what it is, it's basically just a wire where when you run current through it, it heats up really hot, but it can stay like that for a long period of time. Typically used in electric heaters or hair dryers. But at the time, I was messing more with pyrotechnics and using them as like e-matches, which just lights off a firework. Then I ended up coming across these people making and selling these Harry Potter wands. Basically what they were is you were supposed to take this bit of paper, put it down the tube, and then you can make some magical spell, press a button, and it shoots this fireball out of it. I thought it was really cool, and so I ended up doing some more research on it and found out how simple they were. Basically, it was just a tube with a coil right at the bottom of it with a battery and a switch. So I wanted to make one myself. I ended up taking some pen tubes, the Nichrome wire, and making my own little battery packs. Just trying to figure out the right length of wire and the right amount of batteries I needed. Eventually, I ended up coming across this, and it ended up turning out really well. Here's how you can make it yourself. Alright, to make the fireball shooter, you just need one of these pens. Then you want to mark it at the very end where the plug is, right at 17 millimeters. After that, once you cut it, you want to make a little dot right between the cap and the tube itself. Then you would take a needle, heat it up really hot, and poke it right through it. Just like that. Then take your 28 gauge Nichrome wire, cut a decent little chunk, around 4 centimeters. Then take the wire you're going to use, strip it, spread the wire to about half. And you want to put it right there. Twist it, fold it over, twist again, and repeat. Okay, once you have that in place, you can put the Nichrome wire right through the hole, like that, and glue it down. Like that. Then you want to do the same to the other side. Split it in half. Put it as close as you can to the tube. Fold it, twist it. Then cut off any excess. After that, just want to glue this down and make sure to glue the rest of it, and there's no air gap between the holes, otherwise when the pressure builds up, will just get released right through the holes and it won't fire out. Just like this. Okay, to make the battery, you end up needing 8 to 10 AA batteries. The way I'm wiring this is in series, so alternating between positive and negative. So I just take one strip of masking tape to hold them all together, and that makes a nice row of batteries. After that, you want some wire. Make sure there is no coating on it. This is just bare wire. Cut it to just the length you need. take a piece of tape that's around the size of a AA. Make sure it has good contact between each individual battery. Now, since we have one row done, we flip it and do the next row. And then flip it again, do the next row, again, the next row, and you go all the way along. Just like this. There are the two openings, and they all connect together in series. Then add the really long wire, one on one terminal, one on the other. Make sure it goes along to the center. Then right at the center, you want to add a strip of tape right on top on each side. Then bring it down the center and over. Just like that. Now we're going to clean it up. So, take some more tape, a nice long strip, and put it right in the center. Then I typically set it on the table, fold it over, then cut off the excess just about to here. Fold it down and in. And you want to do that on all sides. Now once that's all done, add a strip of tape all the way along to the back, just like that. Then I typically add a couple more strips of tape just for some extra support. Just like that. After that, just take any connectors that you like. I just have these ones lying around. These ones are Pigtail connectors, and just add the two terminals from the batteries and just wire it together like this. Alright, you just want to add the other connectors just like this. So there's the fireball shooters themselves and the switch. After that, you should have this. The battery pack, connectors, a switch, and some fireball igniters. This is how it works. Basically, it's like a little LED circuit. You have your power from one connection, which goes to the switch, connects the circuit to the fireball igniter, and then back to the battery. Okay, here's how to use it. Just plug in the fireball igniter and the switch, doesn't matter which plug you put it into, and when you press the button, if you hold it to a certain amount, it heats up the coil. Really hot, that's what ignites it. That's literally it. I mean, you can adjust it to however you'd like. You can have this little fireball shooter on a door, you can put it on your wrist, on your finger. You can find many ways to use this. The way I was thinking is having the battery pack in my backpack or pocket, having a wire to one of my hands, and having the other one going right to my fingertip. Then you can just stuff a bit of flash paper in here and shoot it, and you can have many more of these. But that's that. Here's the demonstration. I ended up using flash cotton and flash paper to give two different effects. Flash cotton gives a burst, while the flash paper actually gives like a fireball effect. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want me to do more projects like this in the future. I hope you enjoyed, but that's all for now.